Etawola Mzansi sanibonani dumelanga bsheni molweni gama uThemba Lukela otherwise known as Uskim babuthale babuchabela the wise that are coming from the east sibuya le kaMfene sizothula ubufakazi vandag testimony is the name of the episode ngiphethe uGrotman iphethe unjiva uGrotman esenjivaneni hey boshayi bye bye yini ngathi boshayi bye bye nje ngiyakujampisela ora zangu utshela iSmedican ukuthi hayi ngathi kushayi webona intshayo ibhekile ukuthi manje ufaro lo uGrand Khotis
Sharp kunjani?
Yeah, ngimtshotsho wena umnandi.
Ngayizo skim kunjani?
Yeah, kugrand. Wona mangena nacima necreen ngasho ukuthi hayi. Manje ngena uShaka Zulu. Bom. Ayinto enkulu.
Usho kanje.
Ngibona ama gold, asike sithunge le ndawo yama gold. Wavela wakhe kuyofaka ama golide. Wena iGrotman seyiclever nangale behind the scenes ama gold. Ama gold yabuya manje. Ufake nini gold? Ufaka kanjani?
Ngifake mangifika la eGoli.
Aw. Ubuya phezweni
Kahlahle ngibuye eKZN kwaZulu.
Yeah.
KwaZulu Natal.
Yeah, isigodi.
Ekhaya kithi kusedumbe. Kodwa
Yeah.
ngikhulele eFryek mina ekhabo mama kuOledi.
Dandi.
Nala ngifunde khona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice one. Wavela wadayine bathe mawufuna ukuchama ngale ufuna istoko faka igold. Nokubabuza ukuthi igold le or isilver or iplatinum. Mara okusalayo kuna something le khona. Umnotho utsheke kanje. Ayike gold ayina value. Abantu bakhipha amazinyo ayadoya indaba yakho.
Sifike izulu salahlile eJozi yonke into ayisepossible.
Bekuyite
iJozi lasalahlile iJozi. Mangifika la yonke into ayipossible.
Yes. Ayi yabona ke manje wavela wafana necala. Uphuzekile nawo?
Angiphuzekile.
Bakushaya 2 feet.
Akudlalwa lapha umuntu ongezwe.
Asibagayi igama nesibongo ijafasi gijima intawo masiceda la siyagijima. Batshele nje igama sibongo awuthi Grotman ukuphi manje la ngoBloma.
Okay, sanibonani nonke ninjani? Hayi mina igama lami ngusimo esihle ngoWashabang.
Yeah.
Ngaziwa ngosimo. Okay, mangikusipana ke ejele iboshwa zingibuza ngoZulu boy noma umsholozi yabo. So nje ngoba ngibuya kwaZulu Natal. Yabo. So ngokuhlala ngihlala eBinoni. Sibuya sonke boma line of Davidton.
Oh yeah.
Umthimbane
Yeah.
But ngokusebenza vele ngiseModapi ngixosheke eModapi.
Yeah.
Yebo but nje mina from mangikhula ngifunde eKZN primary Friday eThakazela mining town eCoronation.
Yeah.
Ngamove ngayi boarding school eFriday High School Friday State High School. Now it's Friday Comprehensive Secondary. And then but ngacomplete kwaNotshelwa secondary eCoronation futhi eFriday it's a mining town. Yeah, so ngifunde kanjalo lapha until ngase ngiza la eJoburg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukunigcwalisela. Awufana lama politician esingawabonanga afunda mara graduateile. Wena bufuna ukusigaya straight ukuthi awafana ngifundile u10 ngempasile. Angingenanga madala side. Ngene straight mina enjanjasini. Ukwashaya isiboshwa ngeTomfa.
Yeah, sifundiswe ngayo lento our training ukuthi isiboshwa siyashawa. Vele kahle use Tonfa.
Yeah.
Eboshweni. Ngoba mawulwa ngesandla nokuthi ashaya isiboshwa ufike endlini udumbe la. Bese ungasangene akusasa bakutshela bathi ubu wrong. Ngeneboshwa ziyakhotha.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so yikho kahlahle umthetho wasejele ukuthi ungaphakathi ayisetshenziswa ibhamu umsebenzi amaTonfa. Odonke ibhiri ukuthi kaluzokhona ukuthi ulwe kahle. Kahlahle uyalwa ukuprotecta nje just a name ukuthi naye makalo uyafika ngasanto yebo idonke ibhiri kanjani. So kufanele uthulwa ngeqhubhu mawuhlaniphile nje njengathi esakhula siqhatho nje utatata usibamba usiyeke awusidiphe phansi siboshwe.
So angitshela nje ubukhuluma ngendaba yokukhotha. Issue yentelezi yekhemi neDanyana. How deep is that thing because isiboshwa phela udaki. Angibeke kanjalo ngesinto. Abantu ababhaya babelieve ekuthenini mfethu mase ibhimbile yonke into thina siyawudla thina siyawukhotha. Indaba yomuthi iserious kangakanani eDanyana? Because abantu bathi ejele phela kuyakhuthuzwa kuyaskedwa nani mara kuthiwa kunawa fethu neyo time ngangi-interview itendod kuneyathi behlala nayo beyineyigubhu straight leyo ke straight beyinabafana mara iseDanyana. Mina ngithi emfana ngathi story dana ngomuntu mfana ngimfaka ispeakeni ngembuza umuthi uyathesha show umuthi ejele.
Hayi ngeke ngiqamba manga scheme ayikho into engekho ejele kuyafana nala. Yabo. Kunezinyanga kunezangoma naye ngokuhlukahlukane lemkhada ayikho into engekho. Umuthi ukhona kunezimbiza kuyachathwa fika lokho okulengiswayo lokho akukho ngekho uyasesha ukuthole uzokwenza njani ayikho into engekho ejele maba manga Yikuthemba athi ke ijele liyafana nje. Ukwenzakala ejele nesikwenzayo nokwenziwa isiboshwa siyafana. Just that thina sikwenza ngaphandle. Bona bakwenza kuphi? Ejele. Yabo but nje into efanayo into.
Mabethi isiboshwa siphusha isikhathi. How do they kill time? Usiphusha kanjani isikhathi? From experience yaka no jele, yaka no guard ejele. Mawuzibukele leyiboshwa lezi. Ezinye uthola zipepile la izandla. Ziqhubeka zifozi yale zibhisi ziyaqobola ezinye. How do they kill time? Isikhathi basispenda kanjani?
Iboshwa zispenda ngayo yonke indlela isikhathi. Like for example, like when ufunje mawuspana kakhulu esection njengathi ngoba besisipana kakhulu ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
Yabo. So isiboshwa sinendlela eningi sichitha isikhathi ngokucleaner.
Yeah.
Singaba ucleaner la eofficeini la kulapho ngoba sila studio sakho. Yabo. Azanga ngokucleaner sizothatha indaba. Uqala futhi lokho. No ivari.
Ukhuluma nje lephoyisa.
Yeah, azanga uclean uthatha indaba.
Ya download ya.
Yeah, yila futhi khona ukuthola no sister Boza lapha. Labo mama esebenza nama wardress asagcina sekaqoma. Angisho wesiboshwa siphithizela la. Uyabona ngoba ngiphuza lamanzi akho. Lapha ejele kululwa kahlahle shoti uzisicuphi iboshwa. Amanzi aseyila. Uzathi uyakhuluma nawo amanzi nalithi khona kula isikhaftini silethwa manje mawuphethe ukudla na kushoda ukuthi bana basicuphe basigeze. Yabo ngoba noma upolishile icathulo uyakhunyulwa lapha. Uyafaka icathulo. So manje yabona like for example njengabantu besifazane bagcoka igate abamama basetshele. So siboshwa senzathi sizofaka icathulo siyapopola lapha. Yabona kwenzakalala.
Thathi ithombe siyowasha eseyilile.
So nalabo abanye abahambayo lapha ucabanga ukuthi exercise not an exercise. There is a plan abanye baqhubha isikhathi ukuthi okay ngoba bahleli officeini sokwenza 1 2 3. Uyabona bona just that abanye bayicabangela insangu zabo nama drugs okumele zingene abanye ngisho baphumile ngama federal charge yabo zonke lezi zinto external bait hospital uyabona outside bayaphuma bayangena uzobuya nezinto uyabona lento ukuthi iqhutshwa isikhathi uyabona
ngendlela ezibhaya kahle
apha until lento zethu zizenzakale uzophuma ophuma kasalo sala ejele
so asike sikhulume ngomuntu ohrot because abantu bakhuluma umuntu ofana nawo bathi lo muntu eloquent clearly lo muntu lo uhleli nesiboshwa isikhathi eside spend isikhathi sakhe nesiboshwa asikhulume ngabantu abakumadlanga commission manje mababoshwa bafika ejele kwenzakalani president sibabonile labo King Dalinjebo kwenzakalani ngomuntu ofana loyo mangangena umuntu ohrot kwamampela ejele impatho yakhona ne treatment.
Yeah, truly speaking ngokwami ngikhulume nje iqiniso since ngazijele kule 18 years bangixoshe ngisebenza ifirm iyayishintsha isystem uyabona umuntu makane imali ikho bathi money can buy anything uyabona so imali sevula vala yabo umuntu makane imali intando yakhe izokwenzakala lokho ngesiqamba manga uyabona ngesibali ukuthi uyipresident nje unemali nje uyabona scheme uyabona or out yakhe inenyuka iyafika lapha ithola wona ngibamba ngefoni uthi kusemzala nenye out yami bathi kuse vele bayiphakile vele eqedwe fanele ibhantshini asikhuluma mhlambe noma engayitrial ke kodwa usayongena lapha sizoba ngisana ngaye lazo yakhona ngoba khona aba green yakujena imali ayidlali soba ngisana la from reception angena lapha kuzoba nesibhithibhithi lapha kuza kwalomuntu uzavela
nomasango
ivari so ivari angikhuluma ngento yasejele kunalabantu ngiyatshela ngikhuluma abantu into abazenzakala ejele so bese wena ukuthi ugcina ukuthi mhlawumbe ushawa amachaphazela or ufunde ezinye izinto akekho umuntu wangena ejele ecabanga ukuthi engaganga uyayizwa ngoba sonke emastrain ecollege siyatshelwa ngesmuggling siyafundiswa siyahamba khona lapho mhlambe during the weekends or ebusuku sihambe sofundisa usession or early mornings ama session kwamanye amajele mhlambe weekends sihambe sobamba ipractical to the nearest prison after last trainer khona ukuthi sokusheshe sibambe ijele uyabo kuba simple mawusufika ejele uyabo even though thina ke into eningi vele ejele iqale ngathi lento zokuthi ama leadership izinto zazingekhetshela student wada zifike nathi during the era yabo Thabo Mbeki uyangithola bezingekho iwada bekuyiwada nje angithi silezi zinto bese bekuyimilitary zadi militarized so up until kwaba nalento ukuthi singama correctional officials yabona zonke lezi zinto we are no longer prison warders yabo so yonke into icala yithi bese ipilot talent ukuthi ibe effectively so it happened because nathi masifika singama student wata up until sayicede ama processes akhona besikwenza and then we declared competent yabo.
Right, yabona ngithanda umuntu okhulekile because wena wenza please call me uyangibiza nomuntu obukele ekhaya uthi this is the episode I wanted, not someone owenza PR azenza umfundisi uhlulekile le zenza umfundisi ngapha. I love interviews because we don't script them. Abanginikanga gama abanikanga sibongo nje ngokubuza abantu bayithola kanjalo la ekhaya because ngavoda lento yokuthi umuntu masakahleli bathi kunento angakutshelanga yona. Phela abantu bayangena ku TikTok and say siyamazi lo siyamazi. Asike sikhulume ngamahata ashaya umthetho because yenzeka straight. Ngi-interview lo nyawuthi yami eyavele yangihlekisa blind athi ayikhohla mfethu. Mina bengicopozile straight. Wathi eyibosha phela sinama ngizokushaya chief uDavid uzogcina nawe ubonile because unokungena esikelemini. Kukhona le faction or A team igura ne B team wena wazi uyangithola makuzosuka umsindo laba bayalova laba or abekho kanti labantu laba sebanithungele something ukuthi hayi lebosha isiboshe size siwansi sihlebele sithe imamela chief bayogwaza namhlanje ungezi kusasa uyayithola ende kwamampela kushube abantu nokushaya umthetho amaphoyisa ayashaya umthetho sho kwamampela some of ama police officials ama prison orders
on that point ngizosho kanjalo yabo ukuthi bakhona bawushayayo bakhona bangawushayi but now into engayiveza ngalokho ukuthi kena but it's not easy to deal nesiboshwa ungafuni ukufunda lento ayiyo especially kulabo abashaya umthetho. So what I'm trying to say mina like njengami I was just so fortunately when I came to Modabi they open a course ye gangsterism yabo so ngayibhalisa lento ngihambile kulama workshop akhona samba lama workshop akhona iswebha angakwazi ukudifferentiate kahle ngene practicality mayo yakhona from ku theory ye gangsterism sifundela lapha ukuthi ama 26 abehave kanje osponono bathanda imali ama 28 omagebo siphila kanje uzulu omnyama uyabona ama Air Force uyabona kanjalo ama Big 5 ama German uyabona ngokuhlukahlukana ama 11 zonke lezo zinto ngakwazi ukusidifferentiate uyabo so aba so fortunate and then noma sengifika esectionini bengazi ukuthi even nane sitting yaba ayifani uyabona ubuhleli kanje akufani wathi uma uhleli kanje ama 26 ahlala kanje ama 28 uma uthi kanje uyabo ubone nje abantu abahlala emadayisini abadlala emadayisini iboshwe ihlala ngokufana noma iguqile fanele sikulunye idolo lithi uyabona kuyasho ukuthi amaqhuza fanele angimse ngiyakwazi lokho ukuthi ohleli kanje u26 lohleli kanje umaqhuza uthile lo 28 konke lokho ine movement yakhona uyabona. So mina was so fortunate because ijela ngisitshelile ngasicaka ngalo because bengiziphi isikhathi to read to kahlala to psychologize ingqondo yabo uthi okay isiboshwa sinje kanje uma fika kimi ngiyahlala ngiyamxoxa naye yabo makaqala ethesha indoda emnyama wadwa mase ngiyovala ngimthola ngithi ungitshela mawuthi ushushu ukuthini ahleke yabo makathi awukhanye ngithi uma ushuthi awukhanye ushuthi ngempatha yahleka athi hayi phela mawuthi angikhanye ukuthi ngiyabhayisa ngizwile mawuthi kuseyabakhanyi yebo into kanjalo kunale language ezokwenza ukuthi picture ukuthi uyilangazelele inkulumo yabo mabakhuluma
asikhulume ngokushuba makuzoshuba eDanyana ufunde lento over time so kunento engicabanga ukuthi umuntu uyakhona ukuyibamba maka fair ukuthi la akukho mnandi njengami there is no way sihleli sikanje kungena umuntu oyingulube ngeke ngimjampe ngibuye ekazi niyadlala unamanga chief ngiyabona abantu baqhaza babahluthela iselfone nani I'm not saying I'm immune to ubugebengu or to ubutsotsi or to pain but ukhona ukuyifunda into you understand ngishela ukuthi abantu bangasala ngizokutshela izothi mase lihlangana icassette asithe sidele phansi ngesisu nani bese ngithi le bari le ngibonile abantu babona after sekhani baba ama witness manje ukuthi mari into ijampe ecala makuzoshuba eDanyana ubona ngani
ukushuba kwaseDanyane wena ngoba vele iyadonsa mabamanga so lapho is two chances kuya depend ukuthi lento izokwenzakala ekseni during the phaka yasekuseni ku depend khona ezokwenzakala ngalezi khathi ngabo 12 to what khona yenzakala makuyoshonela so eyenzakalani kuya depend futhi nakhona ukuthi enziwa ama 26 ewodwa because nabo bayaxabana phela bebodwa becrossen kwenzala ukuthi baxabana ama 26 nama 28 or ama big 5 what yabo ngeenkambu dependa lama deal ocrossana maybe thatheka insangu wrong what or ama drugs uyayibona lo crossana lokho uyayibona so manje kufunakala lento ibe properly ibuyele lapha kuleyo nkambi so uma idonsa between the two if it is 26 and 28 idonsa ekseni izolawulwa yini ama 28 ama 26 ngoba isikhathi sawo angisho
ekseni
izophela iphushwa ilesikhathi sakhona angithi abokukhanya bona basho njalo impumalanga yebo so konke lokho uyakulandelela lokho ukuthi kwenzakale kanje but kwesinye isikhathi ke kuphambana ikomishi uveze bese kutshela bese mawusuza usukulandelela uzokuthiwa kuthengwa isikhathi uyayizwa manje they share isikhathi basithenga la wadwa into ezikhona lezo mabakutshela so izinto but thina we fortunate sometimes ngoba ngitshela ukuthi sinalabo abantu abacleanayo not and aba different ngoba kunama 11 kuna what so kuya dependa lezo nkambe ezisusa lezo zinto uthi sikanjani yebo bese laba abanye abangekho kulento bazogijima bazositshela before sivula ijele sesizokwazi ukuthi uma siyovula ijele like nje manhlaniphile qalani vele lapho kuthiwa khona seyinukwe khona siyazi ukuthi lento izosuka number 8 asiyovula khona number 8 ngephaka nama siyovula siyavele sesiyonitshena ukuthi guys sesizwile ukuthi nipheka niphi ingqondo okay manje icela amazithi iphuma nge4 ziyasesha yebo manje akuselula ukuthi niyophaka niphethele into zenu fanele siqale ngani nayiqhwaga la yes because masolokhu uzivulela amasoli sonipaka lapha edining hall kuze masiqala kuphuma leqhwaga siyadonsa imdoko igcwala igazi uyabona kube nje yabona
also niyakwazi ukuyidifuse ibomb nini uyayibona into osinye isikhathi information mayihamba phansi niyithola asikhulume ngengxabano yama prison water because nilapho ninje yanifunani babhaya bathandani that's why umuntu engeke abeke isikhaftini sakhe lapho ngoba uyazi bangangishanga poison la omunye ungenelela ukwenye inkambo uyowazi ukuthi okay mina I'm more friendly to ama 28 omunye I'm more friendly to ama 26 and then ama demographics athina ama dynamics wama prison water in terms of le ndaba yenxushunxushu nalendaba ongazwani kahle
leyo vele into ekhona ngeke sithini kodwa inkinga eyiwanike la scheme yabona when duty calls it's a problem because this one is a calling azange safika lapha ngoba sithanda it was a call yabona ezingomisho ukuthi you are waiting for your name to be called nathi sabizwa ukuthi sifike la asizenzanga mina ngifakwa ngejela ngilandwa ngamuntu mina bengulo umuntu obanje kudala ayingafika ne Daily Sun bengithandela osowe 10 no Sunday Times advertisement ngithanda nje yabona ngoba vele ngalesikhathi imatric ibisikari sabantu bengenayo hayi ngoba sekugcwele imatric mina imatric ayithola abantu ayisikari imatric bekunzima ukuthola imatric phela kudala so mangifika la bengazi ukuthi okay ngifuna nani so ngiya kulento yokuthini ukuthi but siyazi semsebenzini asifurstanani bakhona mfethu ngoba wonke umuntu unosathana empilweni yakhe ngeke umuntu futhi akukhombise usathana yabona ziyawushaya lapha izophambana ikomishi uma udle kabi ushiya iplate lakho ukudla kwakho bazosithenga isiboshwa ngoba ikhiza semakhishini la sibe khona ukudla sinikeza iboshwa ngifike ngivule ngikhipha into yami la emaphokothini ngithi fa ngivale kamnandi ubuye wena nami ngithi ngiyabuya ngisawujika emontweni eparking ngoba wonke umuntu ucashe ukuthi ngisawujika emontweni ithi uchofa izifoni yabona abuye bekhona lapho udlu slow poison mhlawumbe udluka lishona ube nebhadi ushone manje yabona khona shiyana ngomshefeze ejele
hey
mina ngiyakhumbula emodabi it once happened after kwaxoshwa Themba kwavala ukudla emodabi imiya isikhathi eside and lento ngitshena abantu bekhala ukuthi usaba nanokuphuma ushijele lodwa unithathe nisazocabangana nokudla ngoba manje izosala zilwe iboshwa yabo soshiya labafazi bayi2 thina sofunana nezinhloko yabo fanele niyibambishise ungene ngo6 la uyozuza uphume ngo6 uyodlusa usuphume ngaphandle
onidludla kweboshwa
nakhona kufunakala icala libovu bakutshela abantu duration eboshwa akwenza ngathi awusebenzi wena mara forgetting ukuthi wena uphuma akekho namathumbe ensimbi ngababuza mina emeetingini mina bengihamba kama meeting lapha hayi bo ubani unamathumbe ensimbi manje lokhu nivale ukudla kunje naba abantu laba abafazi bavukela oshukela abanye bayakrempa labafazi uyabona abafazi bayadabuka amabagula yazi umfazi ukuthi akazwani nendlala usheshe jump kwaba iproblem namanye ama out kwavuka oshukela kwaba kwaba inkinga
bavale lento yokudla ukuthi nina ningasezi nokudla
amawada awuzi
Yeah.
iqanda yabona iqanda
elivaliwe lebhoyiliwe
oh aphula ungafakayo ngiliphi idrug i-drugs ongayifaka ngiyakutshena kwaba i-problem ngilibele ngihamba ama-meeting before ngizoxoshwa ngilwa nje ngibuza ngithi ubani onamathumbe ensimbi na ngoba nina sidli mawuthatha lapha kuphakisa iboshwa noma uthi ungathatha umdokonyana uthi udahlabahlaba bayavela udla umdoko weboshwa wena mina ngiphendula ubani onamathumbe ensimbi begwatshe shuthi lento lokhu bayadla badla up until they gang up against mina bathola indlela abazongixosha ngayo nami ngenza imistake lokhu ngiattenda lama meeting abo mina ngapha anginayo union because bese singana faith ku union lento zo pop and PS bezingasebenzela ngisho Themba baxoshwa phambi kwethu so besinganayo ibackup thina mawucala uthi uyakhuluma phela emoda bese bakutshana once wa voiceful they make it sure ukuthi they shut you down ukuthi ube voiceless bakutshela usukhuluma kakhulu wena uzenza oThemba okay asi wena sizokubeka ngaphandle bathi bakusa exile basokubeka ngaphandle
masango ugcina example ejele uThemba mase uhluphe kakhulu
No, it's not about no, it's not about ukuhlupha. No, it's not about ukuhlupha nathi wena scheme ne because ngeke ngize ngithi futhi ngikhuluma ngoThemba. uThemba mina still remember those days ne. uThemba thina samfice sisebenze ispanela lana. Ukhe sonke nje ukuba phela uyajoin iunion. Yes. uThemba ngale sikhathi emeetingini wakhethwe ekomedini ukuthi abe Bishop Stewart. Uyangithola? Kwakhethwa laba abantu ukuthi hayi nina ngathi aniyenza kancane. Yes, mara during that time ayabo Themba kulo leadership kwakunama differences uyabona kwangasekho ukuthi kuyagijinyiswana emodapha amachajo yabona ngaleso sikhathi up until kwaba nale problem yagcina ifaka yena ke yabo ngixosheka kwakhe yabo because ngoba ngisho ukuthi thina nami mina ngokwami siwebhayi mina ngoba ngayithime kwami la nga discover khona ukuthi into zama union kahlahla azikho yes ngathi okay ukudlala la ipop iphopu nje ayisebenzeli nePSL ayikho inakela amabhuna kubejele kahlahla ukudlala la saphuma thina yes
singena kakhulu ke manje sigijima kakhulu singena odabeni because abantu ba interested ukuthi le ndoda iphuzeke kanjani because indoda ehluzile indoda eslam indoda esayini while you are liking subscribing and commenting and sharing the videos you are still tuned into Abo Fader sikhuluma indaba zale hangeni kunomdiyadia lapha kunamagqemane nezowafunda all these languages because omunye umhlaba within umhlaba asike sikhulume straight nguGuy Mike ukukhuluma ukuthi ibuild up the day you realized ukuthi engathi sengisekageni manje sukile manje livula ingubo langena uxoshwa kanjani
uma ngizoxoshwa ngikhumbula kahle it was like Monday or Tuesday kanje nje yebo and bengenza lock up lento abathi lock up lokuthi usivale ijela ngine unlock uvula ijele ne lock up ijele khona abalivulayo khona abalivalayo yeah so mina ngilethi most case bengithanda lock up ukulivala because kahlahle kuba nama breakdown kwi lock up isikhathi esingoba abantu abaningi bangena ekseni bathanda ukulanda abantwana after 2 bese gcina ijele liba ne problem so mina bengekho kulo problem uthi ngoba nginamntwana egula ngilanda abantwana abasekhulu bazolanda abantwana so mina bekazi ukuthi ngizalivala ijele nale genge sibuya la ko Limpopo eMpumalanga esingala problem yabona emodaphe kunale genge thawulanda abantwana yabo kuyayilandwa abantwana ekseni ngo7 yabo isifo sakhona na afternoon yeah so mina bengekho kulezo ngayi position so what happened ngiyafika nje ekseni ngizospana esinomali ngiyajuta ngiyaspana that day kanti kushuthi wena kahle kahle beyivele zingifuna mase ngifunda kwezami ukuthi ola it was a trap itrap ikanjani ke itrap isuka ngomphathi wejelo futhi ake uacting bebe actor laba bantu because umphathi wejelo wayekhona ngaleso sikhathi bese sekwelinye ijele so belokhu actor beshintshana so ngalesikhathi umuntu beka actor bekuthokozana Zondi the guy from Nigel or Duduza yabo so umphathi wejele ngalesikhathi uthokozana Zondi kwenzakalani ubuya nenye out yakhe ngizosho kanjalo they are from bonke ngale buba Duduza Tsakani uthoza amamxhosa lentwana bayibiza ngomxhosa yabo so ischeme mara uyena umxhosa ungapha kule equipe ezimnyama yabo not EST FRT ejele kunama component amaningi lapha kodwa ne FRT ne EST
so FRT is it between EST nani because EST kuba ngathi phela amasoje yokugcina yona
no EST ikhona kwi national yakwa DCS as a emergency support team ifana nama Barrett ngapha yangithola but iFRT into eyakhandwa special an institutional thing from Modapi yakhandwe Modapi FRT i-creator for ukuthi izolwa nama members ngokuthiwa ayamokola kahle i-task team i-spies or agent into kanjalo ezisebenzela i-management so ucommander wazi umXhosa baningi ke khona lapho kunentwana abathi umXhosa sithi ucommander wale task team u-second in charge wakhona I don't know u-reporter direct to the head of the prison and then angazi ke nabo security what shoot kanjalo operation yabo uyeke lentwana mina engifakile eskeleni behlangene noThokozani Zondi yes nesiboshwe esathengayo esathenga uColin Gazette esinye isiboshwa nje siyilife yabo lesithabe sisebenza ePassageini lesiboshwa lesi la bengisebenza khona eKM la bengisebenza eK yabo iK vele idume kabi senotorious section wonke umuntu eModapi mawuqala uthi uyosebenza eK uplace wekhona usuka la usebenza khona bakutshela bathi uwazi ukukhona into ezayo soxoshwa baningi baxoshwe vele khona nami ngifike bengazi ukuthi mawasebenza eK uzoxosheka yabo but ngokuthi nje ngoba ngitshela ukuthi ecall is a call when duty calls bengengisabi ukuyosebenza because noma bengala bezothi usabani kuyosebenza and eModabane isifo esibi sokuthi like bakunikeza ama play options ayi2 ukhetha wena khetha uthi ufuna ukuyosebenza aphi wathi mina ngifuna ukuyosebenza etrial bathi yini ayifuna etrial konje etrial kuno scheme GP ubhanti into akhona kunemali yayibona okusho ukuthi ufuna imali so wena let them be manager uthi ngisendani ufuna khona uyayibona manje so nami ngenza kanjalo ngabaqhuzu bangisa lapha kanti vele bafuna ukungikwenzani ukuyongikhipha out uyayibona manje mina ngaxoshela isinko naku nginala ifonini I can even show you contravene 2 charges but I bought groceries from the member shop ngathengela iboshwe 3 breads probably 13 Zimba chips Mexican and Doritos ngimentioniwe those things
uqoshela ama Doritos manje wena
nje ngoba ungibona
kamala le episode Doritos
ake yesjo abantu angithi bazuwa thina ejele ukuthi umuntu oyiwada mayixoshwa uqoshelwe insanga ama drugs ama breach of security mina ngitshela kule even that ngiyi-contest lento le the free semboshwe isiboshwe uColin Gazette abasithengayo esithi sanginike i50 ngitshela ukuthi 3 breads ama Doritos awu 13 yes nge50 ziyaphuma izinto ezo3 nama Doritos ngiyacela ukuyibuzela
13
asithi noma i24 ngoba icase lambi ithappen 2024 asithi noma singathi ifisi inkwabe si15 ngithi kule mali abayisho iyahlangana lento leyo ayihlangani and again kule case yabo mina lo Colin Gazette siboshwe potential witness okuyiyena lo charge 1 charge 2 kule contravene abangipha yona akazange bambize ku hearing mawubuza ngaye bathi une right bayosukela umalala pipe wesiboshwe esingangeni kule ndawo sicela uqhayi yes jail paid umalala pipe wesiboshwe ngokuthi ithandwa uboba operator nayo i28 elumasaka nje elihlupheke lapha na neziboshwa ayifani khona lehleli lapha ngekwenjongo bazazi ngomalala pipe they don't have direction to go out uyangithola kuneziboshwe serious they must go out yes lisa bangithengela sona sabuya sazofakaza izinto ezingeke engazange engangeni ke kulento le bona bahamba bayojaja ngalento abayishoyo lesiboshwa masibuza lokhu kungena kuphi nini na umphathi wejele uyabuya bahlangene naye lo Thokozani lo mXhosa ngemshoyo ithini ke manje ngoba mina bengisebenza the whole day lapha i-journal yami nibhalile of the day ngoba phela siyabhala la ngisebenza khona ekhaya i-journal ngoba mina kuno all in order bam for a day ngaze ngashayisa ngokuthi they never bebhale phansi into engekho yayizwa ngisho le i-setup i-frame yes athi umphathi wejele ubhalile yena kuya ekhiphe yabe ubabhalile isikhathi mara mina vele igama lami implicate la uphi uShabangu la ngoba nikhuluma ngomXhosa econfiscate izinto ku Colin Gazette isiboshwa nathola izinto ezu3 was later head of the prison uZondi yes so igama lika Shabangu uphi kuShabangu la hayi nini ngithi no shuthi nibox elini kahle yini enimokolayo mina ngona ukuthi ngibetshelayo shuthi wena Zondi nomXhosa yini enigangayo la kwabe ngibathintile laba bantu they want to prove ukuthi bona baganga nale box lezinto abayikhola ihlangana into engekho and into engekho vele balikhanda icala lakhandeka the following day mangizongena esipanini ngishayise zinomali mangifika kuseni ngiyajutha lapha ngeHR bangitshena iHR ayicha uyafunakala kwaHead ngiye kwaHead mangifika kwaHead uyangitshena uHead uthi asocela uyoreporta ngaphandle external anibe ngisebenza internal eje kokose ngiyocela umsebenzi ngaphandle lapho bo supervisor ngale bangaphandle from indawo escort what or emagatini or le phezulu mathawa post yabo kuzoya ukuthi bangiqisa temporary labo kanjani for a day. So I went there wathola ukuthi vele ngizoya eTering Gate for a day yabona kukhula ngiyakhona ngihamba ngaziwayindela eTering Gate ngisipanasipana la the following day mangiyabuya futhi ilokhunjani iHR yangitshena must go to the head of prison. Ngiyabuyela mangibafika ngibafulela abahleli bawumkhambati acting head uThokozani Zondi enye abathi umhutlani uEugene na ikhona lapha ya basho ngithole nje bathola kanje ngababingelela it was morning sharp kunjani sharp asasho shaba kunjani hayi sharp kunjani basebeyanginikeza ke incwadi contemplation to suspend hawo ngiyabuza manje kwenzakalani la but ayindoda ayikho into esingayikhuluma kakhulu kodwa uyabona uzomela uthole ama representative akho in regard to this issue bese lami lithi hawo okay ba aware ukuthi mina I don't have a union because we once form union yethu bayisabotage sasawo after the formation of SAF to bephuma khosathu uvavu kuphuma kwavavu so after nginalento ukuthi angisenayo union yabo so like I must go back to pop ngizobatshela ngale nto ngiyazi ukuthi iphopru obra bakhona labo vele ovuma icala umthetho wephopru yabona la nje kufanele ngiyimele ngoba yeke ngisizwe iphopru ngisizwe PSA so it went to the point ukuthi okay ngabatshela ngatazini abantu mina engibazi abakena iLabor Relations Act abekho manje but anginankinga ngizoyisolve le problem yokurespond so I went out ngale Tering Gate I sat down ngahlala phansi ngaresponda lento yakhona angithi bathe ngirespond within 24 hours ngabhala phansi ngabhala I don't know any allegations against me yabo ngavala ngasayini ngayithatha ngathula ngathi du yabo so what is happening before nginoka off ne ngayithatha ngayihamba ngoyifaka kwa head lencwadi le mangiyifaka lencwadi ngiyifaka before isikhathi sabo ke manje le 24 hours angithi angazi yeah bayithathe le kunjana angazi ma allegation I don't know I should bayifunda ngalezo sikhathi bengasazi kwenzakalani ejele should bayenze ke evidence ke bayenze benze bese ngizwa ngabantu ukuthi iboshwa la ngisebenza khona ziyathathwa zisiwa kuphi kwa investigation umxhozi uyayithatha uyayinterrogator nabenozondi angazi against mina phela kodwa okuningi mina ngithole sengiyothola investigating report imqulu ukuthi nayi kukhulunywa ngawo isibosho sakho isibosho sitho city yabona because after lokho after ngiqeda ngiba responde lapho mina futhi into zakhona nje sizenza so banginikeza intention to suspend with full pay azange ngihlala isikhathi esithi mhlambe kulenza i1 2 3 kanje ukuthi ngabe ngibangisuspenda with full pay ngiza ngama Wednesday ngisign ngahola probably 6 months mahala ngingasebenzi bangibuyisa it was July kodwa lapho to August ngabuya ngithema khona lapho bangibiza bathi I'm ready ukuthi ngahamba ngoyiprove ukuthi ngiyazora nginezono noma nginazo ngathi mina ngina problem and then yaqala ngempela sathi pre-hearing ngathi nayi ngaplead not guilty hawu ngempela la imbuli ingubo la ngene icala la imbuli bathi kudla kuyadliwa kini lo ngabaza ngithi kwaphambana inkomishi bafakaza bakhuluma bangigweba diwe bangigweba ngakhona ukuthi mina ngezinkwa ke ngihambile ngayi membership isitolo silakuthenga khona amaphoyisa ngapha ngathenga izinkwa okay bona ngokwabo futhi mabe exaggerate uZondi nomxhoza babahlangene bonke labo witness sengumuntu mina I'm benefiting unduly kahle bese bengibiza ngePakistan ngikhanda iSpicer shop dayisa izinkwa lapha ngiyakushena joke and laugh scheme Ju bona into uyabona la ngitshela ukuthi uyabona mina ukuthi kahle ngisevile ngaphansi kwamabhunu lapha eModapi ne but noma ngasevanga kangaka because angitrainanga under military mara those people abazokutshela abakudala bathi yazi mfethu ingami la bezenza sure ukuthi noma kuthiwa zikuthole nensangu ke bezicolela ngithi yes eModapi uxolelwa ama ubra wabo bekufrustana Davrise mntwana engqoshisile mina umxhosa yadla imali eyiboshwa kudala ama history sakhona umkhaliphi wayigcobe frustana umkhaliphi iformer head yahamba before yes bam suspend 3 months without pay yini resolution 6 resolution ka 2006 by bargaining council nabo Pope ukuthi don't dismiss a person ne. So you need after after verbal warning, final written warning yana. Best, and then we will go to hearing, and then ama foundings alapho. So it's by the chairperson must decide kahle. As a corner good can go we resolution ka 2006 whereby you can be given 1 month without pay. Or 2 months without pay, or 3 months without pay. I'm sure the aim of hearing is not about to punish; it's about to correct.
Yeah.
So disciplinary measures lakhona.
Yeah.
So bona ke uma bengakuthandi abayenzi the way le yalezo zinto. Yes. So that is why mina mangiappeala kubo even though mitigate ukuthi lezi zinto zini is unfair ngiyambona initiator nawe. My conclusion yakho during the cross examination of the hearing no ngiyakubona ukuthi wena uhamba iphindlela wena chairperson kahle no, it's not like that. Why don't you resort to 1 month or 2 months or 3 months without pay? No, for yena wangitshela uchairperson uDikeleti Mkhonza what I never shown any remorse. Mina yonke into ngithangaza amasa ngazi mawungazi wenze njani ngoba ngangazi angazi ngigange yiko ngikhala ngithi kodwa uNkulunkulu engimthandazayo isinkwa siyamxosha na because lento sayi contest ne representative as fellow representative ukuthi kahle a bread ke ngoba sikhuluma i breach of security isinkwa kungasijika sikhanda umesa lamazimba no we can laugh scheme
or escape
konke lokho uncono uyalkena idayana ngikhuluma ngabantu abaphethe ijele lento oyishoyo ukuthi wena sometimes ungoya kuyafunakala ukufunda uyabona mina kula meeting apho saxabana sibangazona lezi zinto zokuthi kahle nina especially when it comes to imodabi management. Yes, mina into engcina ingixosha ngaba sibanga legama ka competence ne incompetence. Sibabanga meetingini kahle kuyahlala masiza ngemeeting why ama point kuma meetings of the meetings kunalento okuthiwa previous meeting ngithi uyazi lento leyo kula ngifane sisolve lento ukuthi kwenzakalani kuma meeting lapha every time lento lihlali okay lenga ayina solution akusi aim of the meeting phela masemhlangano sizosolve ama problems mara sikhuluma indaba yokudla every time la ukuthi ama member awadli ama-member wana amathumbu ensimbi kahle nje masikuza nani basitshela nge-head office iyabuya i-head office isitshela ngemodabi ilungisana inkinga zini asazi iyabuya ne-region wonke umuntu inkombankombana yebo sasiphila. So I went to the point ukuthi mina ngabatshela ngathi kahle ukukhuluma kweni na don't talk ukuthi ngama-managers you are incompetent. Yes, lento ukukhuluma kweni anikhombisi ngama-managers we are mismanaging things yayibona ngoba i-manager fanele umanage don't mismanage. Yes, angithi wena mawenza admin admin don't maladministration angisho yabo opposite of that. So isumsindo ke like mina ngiyabadelela abafundanga they never studied.
Angitshele ke ngokwakho ke mabethi nanguzulu boy ngendlela beyokubiza ngayo even eDanyana. Do you believe ukuthi one of the good days we will witness a day where a prison warder or an ex-prison warder would come here and say hey mina phela bangixosha malento abangixoshela yona ngiyayazi? Do you think people would do that? Because the question is, hey son, unfortunately, labo mkhaliphi abomxhosa obani hey they can't come here and tell us the other side of the story. Young told we want to broadcast something very balanced because umuntu ukhuluma istory sakhe nestory sakho njengobusho ukuthi emfethu before God lento le masesini ilanda nina. Does it really warrant ukuthi umuntu axoshwe? Asesithi vele ngiyenzile lento le into yesinkwa. So do you think ikhona prison wale lizoza lifike la lifike listeme into lisho ukuthi hayi not lento ngichunile mina?
Hey, well scheme ngiyayizwa le question yakhe emnandi, it's interesting. Ake ngithi lalela no it's an interesting question but it need to be answered ne. But the answer is one. Mina ngitshela ukuthi yabona inhliziyo enecala ayikutholi ukuphumula ne mina ngikwazi kwami uyabona uma unecala ngempela ungaqamba manga uthi amasi angikwazi kodwa inhliziyo enecala ayikutholi ukuphumula yonke into noma igqibekile uyoyiveza one day. So bonke abantu uma uxoshwe ngempela ngeke uze la uyayizwa wonke umuntu oxosheke ngempelazi ukuthi yena wa contrave kahle kahle wayenza icala la isebenza khona or ku committed crime ngeke ufuna ukukhuluma ngalento ngoba ini is an embarrassing thing ihlazo ngeke usukuzoza la sizalana ngoba thina we are the victims ukuthi thina sishayeke ngento esingayazi la asazi ukuthi noma hambe ocinge uhamba ushunqisa impepha uchitha isikhathi sakho ufake iziphandla zendingi uchitha isikhathi sakho uyoqeda imali uhamba uhlolahlola nje lokhu ugcwala hamba inyanga kuyophela imali ngani nango ngenzonde creator ikuphe emsebenzini angithi emsebenzini siphethe kahle kuyini bathini secronism nepotism uyangithola so wonke umuntu lapha makaspane ephethe uneline yakhe yehlobo zakhe uneline yakhe ayicreateayo ezosebenza ngaphansi kwakhe ukuze yonke lento yakhe izoba fulfill yebo sonke so into kanjalo so thina ngoba don't have friends lapha waziyangisaya ngokuyosebenza so yikho sikhala ukuthi asazi sicosheke kanjani that is why sizokhuluma namhla sikhala yes we are not about kusinendaba ukuthi indaba othokozana zonda bomxhosa mara ibona bayakwazi ukusetshenziswa uqosha abantu baningi abantu baphela lo msebenzi because indaba yabotho yomxhosa akasiyi-1 baningi yiko ngikhuluma ngomxhosa because ekhasini yami u-accuse number 1 nesiboshwa ukhona eNgazette he came up against me benothokozana zondi i-head of the prison the whole head of the prison yes ngimbangisani lo muntu ngoba akasihola imali efanayo uThokozana zondi
uphu Gazette
wathi uthole wanikeza utransfer special transfer washift wasiwa kwelinye ijele masilibele sibuza ngihamba hearing akekho eModapi bona waziwa yibo ukuthi bamsaphi even my mate is on labor court yes mara ngikhalile ngakhona mangicala ngibatshena ukuthi kusene problem so but where is this going I don't know iModapi baza even saku commission no commission wayephethe icala that lady ngicabanga ukuthi na ufundile uright uadvocate uyalizwa ligama advocate kanti na uzohamba ngama findings are wrong ngalo former chairperson wasejele kaDikeledi Mkhonza la wabhalelwe wabhalelwe Antoinette urbanibani ngoba uyayibona lemqulu ukuthi yayibhaliwe lama foundings akusinto eyisuka kumuntu egazini ukuhlukanisa obubi okuhle nokubi uyabona mawutsheliwe kuthiwa iminded kuthiwa xosha lo ngonje umuntu ungangixosha for isinko mara deyalodi lapha abantu baseModapi amaqala serious mfowethu abazange baxoshana bayathandana ngokuthi ama favorites and mina so I'm unfortunately never been there sweet darling yabona I'm not there sweetheart yabona so nje vele ngizofela and ngapha mina yabona njani ngimubi ngimnyama yabona angithi black man is always a suspect
awumsholozi
ngiyakutshela ngaze ngabatshela phela wathi lo sisi lo wangikhuluma ngehearing ngathi uThokozana zondi imhlophe is handsome angithi yazi into mayimhlophe yinhle
yathandeka
so manje mina ngoba ngimubi uzojaja vele
slay queen uThokozana
intandokazi yakhona awu nabafazi basetshele bamthanda
son
ngeke aqoswe is ambitious
son
so manje ngafika kungifanele mina ngilona nomuntu oambitious uThokozana zondi ngizosinda kanjani
yazi ukuthi lento ezikhulunywa la ne make fika la eGrootman uMasango and then we had a conversation and iParliament down in Cape Town felt a need to intervene and as we speak there was a video that was circulating where one of the members particularly Bagu MK wathi we are reporting to Modapi tomorrow morning. So there's fire that's burning. We are not here, but justice must be served. If they find you guilty or they feel bona in their heart of hearts, I think omunye nomunye is eligible to a fair trial. Kunokuthi dismisswe unfairly, kugcina kune tension because mawubona boThokozana inhliziyo yakhe ihlala imnyama ukuthi yazi lo chama boy lo mangamthola umnyameni asizohlangana. 2 kube neziboshwa ziyinkabi phela kutheshiswa zona. And isiboshwa sizifunela uphume edanyana noma ngabe yini asiboshwa senze noma ngabe yini isiboshwa thina sisijwayele siyasazi and sigrand masilapha sithulile phela sinokushaya umuntu ohlala sifakela izinto mara gcina kapekile same siboshwa uhleli naso 20 years so you can't trust nothing. So I'm just saying in conclusion ku episode I just hope ukuthi we are not just blowing hot air but we really are trying to mend the broken hearts and our relationships la khona ukuhlangana khona sithole nje lokubuyisana. So the status of the case now as we speak, do you still have hopes zokubuyela systemini?
Yeah, mina njengama will say I still have hope because i-award from arbitration is still the same as the hearing, so I take it further. so ise-Labour Court. So now so imethe yami was on consultation with different lawyers yabo, because manje bengifuna ngazi ukuthi abazoyithatha konze ngiyeke ku different organization, pro boners, individual lawyers yabona. So ukuthi le matter lena ukuthi mabayithatha sizodila kanjani ngayo. So ikanjalo isesekhona now, if you have your own lawyer ungangibhadarela ntona, so akusi problem. Yabo angithi the aim ukuthi ngisizakale la yabo, but anginankinga ngoba now we have said ukuthi there are some political parties from National Assembly, they are willing to intervene in regard with the issue it. So we'll say we appreciate you welcoming yabo abese, because bona bayazi izinto esibhekene nazo eModapi yabona, futhi akusikuthi ngoba size la fanele sokhuluma kakhulu ngeModapi. Kahle nje yabona mina myself ngikhuluma ngami uayi, uyazwa ngifuna ukuyithola ngegrand, yazi ngifuna ukufela umama nobaba lapha, because they are probably 8 years ngale ndaba yami ukuthi abana closure ukuthi ngempela waxoshelwa isinkwa. Uyayibona usabana nokudla amaqanda lapha ekhaya mawuvakashile ngoba babuka lesinkwa ababona into ekufanele. Just inazi lesinkwa simxoshisile. So manje izinto kanjalo, so ayifunakala.
Let's wrap it up. No, thank you, Zulu boy. I'm hoping for the second episode. Now, you are an advocate, you are a senior counselor, you are a lawyer, and then you feel good. No, let me take it head on. So we have, through the three lenses, a lot of imphefumulo isizakele yaseviseka through this platform. So Untate Mtimbane knows Amandes now. So whenever he says, Zemon, let's have a joint sitting, I don't deny anything, because I know Guti into zethu they are tried and tested. So let's hope for a second coming episode where you come and pay testimony with Mamela. Abantu bayalalela eMzansi Afrika ngwathola ama phone calls ngitholile assistance ne help lapana lapana. Let's give them your platform, if on a social media unani, and this will be direct, by the way. Tinage, we are not jealous ngezinto. And abantu abafuna contribute, someone wants to say, I want to bless that man. I can see what is tormented. Nine number. You can leave them your numbers and then see for the episode.
Okay, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga Skim GP. And ngaphandle futhi kokubonga kuwe, ngiyabonga nje ukuthi uthola uthemba ukuthi natholana kanjani, but uNkulunkulu uhlala impilo. uNkulunkulu phela akakhethi ukuthi udle emgqonyweni or rich or unemali, yabona yonke into inesikhathi. So ngiyabonga ukuthi uthola uthemba Masango up until nawe uNkulunkulu akupha amandla, yabona somewhere else like we were in a dark, but now there is a light behind the tunnel. So ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibe la ngiyacabanga nabantu abangilalele nje, nabantu ababengazi indaba yami, nongazi usezovuleka amehlo ukuthi nala sebenza khona anything is can possible. Yabo ngcono uthi neModapi besingafuthiswa, abanye bayafuthiswa ngabe emsebenzini. So kuphelelwa umsebenzi into elula guys. So nje guys angithanda abantu mabengasebenzi. So ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi sengifikile kule ndawo, but I wish all the best ukuthi kuzolunga kithi sonke, nabanye abanenkinga they must come. Izosolvakala. Yabo so inamba yami 074 427 6083.
Asiphi
074 427 6083. Ngiyatholakala ku WhatsApp. I don't Twitter too much. I don't Instagram. I'm not familiar with this
social media.
Kahle ngigrand la ngiphelela la ku WhatsApp. Nalapho sungangifonela nje. So you are welcome guys. Sizokhulumisana sibonisane kokunye nokunye.
All right.
Thank you so much.
So we'll wrap it up until the next episode. Keep well and stay blessed. Timba.